The noise.
Maybe the birds.
My dog barking.
Woof, woof. Police car.
The baby noise at the moment.
The kettle.
The radio.
I love you, baby.
Traffic. Cats.
Really fast footsteps in my house. I hear it all the time.
Quiet, just...
Jess! Which is my name.
Egg timer or something like that clicking.
Does that make sense?
Ah!
I'm making it right now. Silence.